How to check JetBlue credit card rewards. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can check for your JetBlue credit card rewards. First thing you have to do is open up your web browser and you can just search for JetBlue Plus card or JetBlue credit card, and you can see these links right here. Just open it up and from there you can find the login button at the top right corner. Once you click on the login button, you'll get the sign in button and then just tap on it. And once you tap on this, you should be able to sign into your account, and here just provide your username and your password. Then at the top right of your home screen, you should be able to find your points displayed there. And if you want to check your Barclays cards account, you can just go ahead and log into your Barclays account first, and then you can view your statement to see how many points were recently added. So it's the same process from your Barclays account. You can find how many points were credited to your account. And you could also call JetBlue's support team to find out information about your account. These are some of the ways that you can find and see your credit card rewards. If you found the tutorial helpful, like the video down below and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.